Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to TCS breaking news. TCS team is start sending the Xplore update, that is protocol assessment, on November 7th. So in the particular video we will discuss about what about the TCS Xplore assessment. Exam date is 7th November. What are the IPA exam benefits? Is it related to joining location? What about the IPA exam pattern? So in the particular video we will discuss about everything. Let's start the video. First of all, before starting the video, I have two most important points that I have to cover. Okay, first thing, if you already received the joining and you received the Xplore assessment mail today, okay, or yesterday, so please mention in the comment section, because as we know that previous joining candidate not receive any kind of Xplore assessment mail. Okay, but if you already received the joining and you got the Xplore assessment mail, please mention in the comment section. And you received the joining and no type of mail, okay, no type of Xplore assessment mail, and other training is ongoing, so you can also mention. Okay, and if you are waiting for joining and you received the Xplore assessment mail, please mention in the comment section. Okay, it will definitely helpful for everyone. Okay, ये बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, हमें सबको पता, हम सभी को पता चलेगा कि what is the process that is followed by TCS. Okay, so let's start the today's video. The thing is, TCS team is sending the Xplore update protocol assessment on November 7th. Okay, like Xplore update assessment on November 7th. So the thing is, dear learner, we are pleased to inform that TCS Xplore Protocol Assessment is scheduled on 7th November 24. TCS Xplore Assessment will be conducted at TCS Ion Center and your physical presence is required for taking the assessment. Okay, means this exam is at TCS Ion Center. Okay, it is clear. The first point is clear. Second point, attempting and securing a good score in the TCS Xplore assessment is mandatory for successful completion of your Xplore program. This is also a prerequisite for your smooth ILP. So the thing that I have to clear here, okay, just understand one most important point. They mention mandatory successful completion of program. Okay, after joining TCS, as we know that you have Xplore courses, you have to start the Xplore program or Xplore courses you have to start. Okay, so this year we see the two condition. Many candidates received immediate joining without any of the IPA exam or without any of the Xplore mail or any of the other thing. Okay, many candidates already joined the TCS, but this time, okay, as we know that they are sending the joining in the form of phases. Phases means different dates. Okay, so now according to their new timeline, or we can say that according to their new plan, they are sharing the TCS Xplore protocol assessment, and it is a mandatory successful completion of Xplore program. So you started the Xplore program, so it is a mandatory, okay, mandatory assessment you have to given for your successful completion of this Xplore course. So completely the point is clear that it is a mandatory assessment. Okay, and this is also a prerequisite for your smooth ILP. Means ILP means initial learning program. As we know that after joining TCS, the ILP will be there. Okay, so it is related to joining, that point is also covered. So the one most important point that I have to mention, okay, they mention that smooth ILP. So totally depends on them whether they will conduct this for joining or not, but they mention this. You will given the choice to pick the preferred assessment location through survey, which will be launched in the Xplore community. First of all, join the Xplore community, okay, where you will receive this type of all update. Okay, you are requested to choose your first 3 city preference of TCS Ion Exam Center provided in the survey. Kindly fill in your first 3 preference and make sure the details provided are correct. Once you submit the survey, no further changes can be done. So kindly make sure you select the right location before submitting the survey. That is very very important. Okay, so यहाँ पर जहाँ भी आपको 3 city में से center allocate होगा, you have to go to that center and you have to complete the exam. What is TCS Xplore Protocol Assessment? First we have to discuss. Okay, so that is called the like IPA exam. Okay, like IPA exam is Ion Protocol Assessment, that is related to TCS Xplore Protocol Assessment, in which as we know that you started the Xplore courses. Okay, so you learn so many different things in the particular courses related to some of the technologies tool. Okay, so there will be exam from IPA, Okay, like there is a exam called IPA, okay, Ion Protocol Assessment, in which you have to score. Okay, like suppose you score 80 percentage, suppose you score 50 percentage, 40 percentage. So there is a benefit that you will receive incentive. Okay, you will receive incentive, or according to previous trend, early joining. Okay, but the thing of early joining is totally depends on TCS team whether they will consider this factor or not, IP exam factor or not. But they mention this is also a prerequisite for smooth ILP. Okay, so the thing is, we can consider that they will, like if they are conducting the IPA exam, so there will be incentive or early joining according to their demands. So the thing that I have to mention, what is the TCS IPA exam benefit? Cracking the TCS IPA exam can open to many opportunity for candidate in the IT industry. In 2023, it now has been made compulsory for all new joiners to take the IPA test. Candidate scoring more than 55% in assessment earn a joining bonus of 40,000 rupees. A score higher than 80, you will get additional 20,000 rupees bonus. Okay, additional 20,000 rupees bonus. So the thing is, there is a joining bonus. Okay, joining bonus is one time bonus, and like it is called a incentive. Okay, and if I'm talking about the early joining, okay, so the joining is totally depends on TCS team business requirements. Okay, what are their business requirement? Okay, what are their business requirement? In how many month they are giving joining? So the IPA exam Ion Protocol assessment is basically conducted. Okay, so to check your performance, and they clearly mention that it is a mandatory assessment for the successful completion of Xplore course. Okay, so that is very very important. Okay, one most important point that I have to mention, how to prepare for the IPA. So understand that, okay, there is a blog on GUI website, crack the TCS IPA exam. Okay, in that they mention that the TCS Ion Protocol Assessment exam at Ion Center. Okay, the time limit is 120 minutes to solve a question. This is a blog updated on July 23-24. If there is some change in the pattern, okay, definitely I will share with all of you. Okay, just understand that 55% in the assessment earn a joining bonus. A score higher than 80% will get additional 20,000 bonus. Understanding the TCS IP exam pattern and syllabus, there is a Python Java. The main section is Python and Java. Okay, subsections are Know IT, that is know your TCS, Biz skills, business skill, UI, user interface, Unix, Python Java, MySQL or SQL, PL/SQL. Okay, and top TCS IPA question and answer, it is already available on the particular website. And one candidate mentioned that on the lead code website, how to score 80 plus in IPA exam. It is updated on July 10, 2024. So you will see that the candidate scored 87. Okay, and how candidate prepared for the particular IPA exam. Okay, so you can check out the blog. We will also come up with the particular video in which we will share each and everything that is related to IPA exam. Okay, but they clearly mention most important point, IPA exam Ion Protocol assessment, that is very very important, that is mandatory assessment. Okay, that is mandatory assessment for completion of your Xplore courses. Okay, and if I'm talking about the incentive, again I am mentioning incentive and early joining. Okay, totally depends on TCS team. Okay, but I suggest everyone to give your 100% in the IPA examination. Okay, because if they are conducting the IPA examination, they are definitely checking something. Okay, they are checking your performance, they are checking everything. Okay, so I suggest please give your 100% efforts, and आपको ज़्यादा ही score करना है. Okay, you have to so your score should be good in the TCS IPA examination. And one most important point, what about the TCS IPA examination other schedule? So it will totally depends on them. Okay, like they are conducting in the different dates, they are conducting in the phases. Okay, because candidates are receiving update in the form of phases. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for clearing all of your doubts. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section.